Since 2023, I has been very hot. Some call it the fourth industrial revolution. We welcome growth or iterations of science and technology. Please watch the video, Living State of Electronic Jacquard Machine about I. Our plan is A. System equipped with 7-inch TFT LCD. I is mainly reflected in FreeTool software. About FreeTool software. Please watch the video, The Main Goals of FreeTool software. B. System equipped with 2-inch TFT LCD. I runs throughout the entire system. And similar to YH918. It uses a third force to help the electromagnet attract and release. In traditional modules, the first force, the suction force of the electromagnet, is used when the electromagnet is power on. The second force, the elastic force of the spring, is used when the electromagnet is power off. The introduction of the third force relaxed the technical requirements for the modules. Even when traditional modules were deemed unusable, they were brought back to life after technological transformation. At the same time, the technical requirements for the mechanical part of electronic Jacquard machines are also relaxed. The discussion will not be continued here. If you are interested, please refer to the relevant video. The main manifestations of I here are C. This software provides several IT libraries, which are mainly divided into 3 categories. C1. Mature I public IT library. It is mainly expressed in the form of software and can be called. It works normally under certain working conditions and working environment, and has been tested. Most iPublic IT libraries are free to use. C2. Mature public IT library, usually with an executable mechanism that includes executable hardware, sensors, software interfaces, etc. Can be called, for example, by a mature iPublic IT library. It works normally under certain working conditions and working environment, and has been tested. Most public IT libraries are free to use. C3. User-defined IT library. User-defined IT libraries belong to users, and their intellectual property rights are protected. User-defined IT libraries are mainly tested by users. We welcome user-defined IT libraries to be included in the iPublic IT library or public IT library. And after more rigorous testing, they can be used free of charge by all engineers in the field of electronic Jacquard machines. D. Online programming and testing. The above software provides a mechanism for online programming and testing. FreeTool software and software of controller equipped with 2-inch TFT LCD, etc. For example, use the mainstream Python online programming and testing. E. Complete technical documentation includes function description, boundary conditions for normal operation, precautions, exception reports, etc. The I mentioned in this video, in addition to self-growth and iteration. Engineers with certain industry experience in the field of electronic Jacquard machines, for example, more than 20 years, experienced several breakthrough the cognitive cocoon room, and most importantly, a conscience, are needed to correct directional errors and avoid them going astray. We respect creative scientific and technological progress and provide effective technical means to protect the intellectual property rights of the above-mentioned engineers. For example, the above figure of unlock software. Please contact me directly if necessary. The unlock software generates 8 unlock keys and depends on 1. Electronic Jacquard machine equipment SNA. The SNA of the electronic Jacquard machine is unique, and the SNA of each electronic Jacquard machine is different. 2. System SNA. Each time it is unlocked, the system SNA is automatically incremented. Therefore, even if it is the same electronic Jacquard machine, the unlock keys is different every time. 3. The time allowed for normal use. The original condition is fully permitted for normal use. After the first lock, restricted use. There are 2 situations. 3.1 Enter the number of days allowed for normal use, and click the button, Get Key, to generate 8 unlock keys for that number of days. 3.2 Click the button, No Limit, to generate 8 unlock keys that fully allow normal use. Four. Protected objects. As shown in the first line of the above figure, the protected object is YiHao. We allocate a user space dedicated to each protected object so that the 8 generated unlock keys can only be used for this protected object. We promise not to use unlock software customized for the protected object unless authorized by the protected object. Please let us know if you have any doubts during the specific operation process. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.